Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So flashcards are one of the NotebookLM's most useful study features, helping students and researchers quickly review key concepts from their sources. However, some users encounter problems where flashcards stay stuck on loading, never appear, fail to generate, or suddenly disappear after creation. Fortunately, most flashcard loading issues are caused by source processing problems, browser conflicts, notebook complexity, or temporary server interruptions. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix flashcards not loading in Notebook in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, verify your sources finished processing. Like before generating flashcards, make sure all sources are fully processed. Like check for upload errors, stuck processing indicators, failed imports, missing source content. If NotebookLM cannot read the source, it cannot build flashcards. So healthy sources are required for healthy flashcards. Wait longer than expected. So many users assume flashcard generation is frozen when it's still processing. So the generation speed depends on notebook size, number of sources, documents complexity, server load. So large notebooks can take significantly longer. Okay, so patience solves many generation issues. You can also refresh the notebook, like temporary session issues occasionally affects study tools, so try to save your work, refresh NotebookLM, reopen the notebook, generate flashcards again. So a fresh session often fixes loading problems. Okay, you can also test with a small notebook, like create a notebook containing one PDF, one article, a small amount of text, so then generate flashcards. So if the test notebook works, the issue is likely specific to the original notebook. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.